We love our cats, but litter box odor can be a real challenge and can cause an overwhelming smell in your home. In this video, we'll show you how to wash and sanitize your cat's litter box. Plus, I'll show you how to use OdoBan to deodorize that litter box between cleanings so you never have to deal with stinky litter odor. Hi, I'm Dave the Chemist, Technical Director here at OdoBan. If you like free, helpful cleaning videos like this one, be sure to like this video and click the subscribe button below. That way you'll always be up to date on our latest cleaning tips, including great tips just for pet owners. We've got great cleaning hacks, all backed by real science, coming out all the time, and your support means a lot to us. Okay, let's get started. Now, if you're a cat parent, I'm sure you've experienced this. You walk in the door and that litter box smell hits you right in the face. Oh, Mr. Sprinkles! What have you been eating? Good! Never fear, because OdoBan is your secret weapon for pet odors. OdoBan eliminates, not masks, odors at their source and leaves a lasting, fresh scent. Now today I'm using OdoBan Disinfectant and Odor Eliminator in Original Eucalyptus. This fragrance is based on a diverse blend of wildflowers and botanicals, and it's great at getting rid of the toughest odors, like litter box smells. We'll leave a link on where you can find OdoBan in the description below. Before we clean the litter box, let's mix up an OdoBan Pet Odor Eliminating Spray solution from our concentrate. This spray will be perfect for eliminating litter odor as well as cleaning and sanitizing your cat's litter box. Now, to mix up the cat litter deodorizing spray in a standard 32-ounce bottle, simply add 8 ounces of OdoBan concentrate and then fill the bottle with tap water. It couldn't be easier. Well, unless you want to buy one of our ready-to-use sprays, then there's no mixing required. Now, once we've got our OdoBan spray ready to go, we can wash and sanitize that litter box. To maintain sanitary conditions and control odors, we recommend doing this once a week. Now, to get started, empty the litter box completely. You want to wipe away any debris that may be stuck to the bottom or the inside walls of the box. Cat litter can clog drains, so be sure to get rid of all the litter before moving the box to a sink or a bathtub. In a sink or tub, add a solution of warm water and a mild soap, like dish detergent, to the litter box. Using a brush or a sponge, scrub the inside and outside surfaces of the litter box with the soapy solution. This is also a great time to clean your cat litter scoop and any plastic litter mats you might be using. After each surface is scrubbed and cleaned, empty the soapy solution. Next, thoroughly rinse all of the surfaces with tap water until there's no soap left. Allow the litter box to dry completely, and of course you can use clean paper towels to speed up that drying process. Once the litter box is dry, spray the OdoBan solution thoroughly on all of the litter box's hard interior and exterior surfaces. With each surface thoroughly wet, allow the OdoBan solution to sit for 60 seconds to sanitize, killing 99.99% of germs on those hard, non-porous surfaces. After letting it stand for 60 seconds, wipe down all the surfaces with paper towels until the litter box is completely dry. Once it's dry, the litter box can be refilled with litter. Now, to control cat urine odors in between litter box cleanings, your OdoBan Pet Odor Eliminator spray can be used directly on the litter. Remove all pets from the area before spraying the OdoBan solution 2 to 3 times directly on the litter. Use your scoop to stir the litter after spraying OdoBan and repeat the process so you've contacted most of the litter with the OdoBan spray. Allow the OdoBan to completely dry before allowing any of your pets back in the area. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe right now for more great cleaning tips for pet parents. Plus, if you've got any questions about using OdoBan, post them in the comments right now and we'll answer as soon as possible. Until I see you in the next video, make life fresh.